Hello everyone, this is Nora from Pandaily, and today we're here in Xi'an for the launch of the Honor 9X and the Honor 9X Pro. So with the 9X series, Honor is trying to target the young middle class, and today we're going to focus mostly on the 9X Pro. The phone features a 6.59-inch Full HD Plus display with no notches or punch holes, giving it a 92% screen-to-body ratio, so it's pretty much all screen. And the selfie camera is embedded in this pop-up module. So the back is really pretty. You can't maybe see it in this light, but in the right light you can see an X at the back, so it's perfect for mutants. And it doesn't have any finger unlocking thing on the back or in screen. It's on the side here. You unlock the screen. And check this out, it has a headphone jack and a Type-C charging port. And that's important because the Honor 8X had the long outdated micro USB port. So I'm glad Honor finally caught up with the times. In the back, we have a triple camera setup with your standard 48 megapixel main snapper. This is also one of the biggest differences between this and the non-Pro version, which features a dual setup. So the 9X Pro runs on the EMUI 9.1 on top of Android 9 Pie. And it's powered by the Kirin 980 chipset, which is a upper mid-range chipset comparable to the Snapdragon 730. It packs a large 4,000 milliamp battery and has a liquid cooling system to keep the phone from heating up if you're gaming or watching videos on full brightness. So for 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, the 9X Pro sells at $320. So that's pretty good. But if you want it even cheaper, you can get the 9X non-Pro version for $200, but that is for only 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage, so it's a little bit less. But I still think it's one of the cheapest phones for if you want a pop-up camera. It's pretty cheap. Huawei's status has been up in the air recently after the US put them on their entity list, so we're not sure where the 9X will be released, but there's a good chance it'll be released in Europe and India, but there's no official information as of yet. So that's all I have for you today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Again, I'm Nora from Pandaily. It's been an honor.